The best keto recipe with low-carb, high-fat diet that's taken the world by storm.
Today I've got 5 low-carb smoothie recipes in this video and then 3 more for a total of 8 in the free ebook that you can download using the link in the description box. Let's start with cucumber celery matcha, lean and green. Into my blender, I add baby cucumber, celery, avocado, and coconut or MCT oil. So MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides or medium chain fatty acids, and it's a type of fat derived from coconut oil. It's colorless, odorless, and stays liquid at room temperature, so a lot of people on a low-carb diet add it to food, coffee, or smoothies to boost the fat content in their diet. It's easy to digest and suppresses hunger. Remember, you really shouldn't be hungry on a low-carb diet, and it provides quick, clean energy for your body and especially your brain. We can all benefit from MCTs, low carb or not. I also add matcha powder. Make sure you use a high quality brand, which will mean it's a vibrant green and annoyingly expensive. I've linked a brand I use sometimes in the description, but it isn't my only brand choice. And feel free to add a low carb friendly sweetener or stevia drops to taste. Finally, for my liquid, I add creamy cashew milk, but you can use whatever you prefer. Blend it up. I love the vibrant and fresh color and taste. Cucumber is always so distinct to me when it's in a smoothie.
And I like it.
This smoothie only has 6 grams of net carbs, and all of the nutrition info for all of these smoothies can be found in the free ebook along with the recipes. Next up, a low-carb golden milk smoothie. I start with coconut milk from the can shaken up. Make sure it's really well integrated, and then add that to an ice cube tray to make coconut milk ice cubes. They may separate a bit when freezing, but it's no biggie. Just keep those in the freezer for whenever you need them for smoothies or cooking. Thaw them out for a few minutes before adding to your smoothie. For this smoothie, I add coconut milk ice cubes with an additional splash of milk, MCT oil, and remember that can always be coconut oil, vanilla extract, turmeric for a nutritious golden boost, cinnamon, ground ginger, salt, and sweetener to taste. Naturally sweet, cinnamony, and a kick from those spices. I love the creaminess the coconut milk provides, and this smoothie only has 4 grams of net carbs. How about a berries and cream protein smoothie? This one starts with frozen raspberries, which are one of the fruit's lowest in carbohydrates. Then I add MCT or coconut oil, a scoop of collagen protein powder, optional sweetener to taste, and full-fat coconut milk. A lot of people are mistaken and believe that keto means no fruit. Keto does not mean no fruit. It means very high in fat and very low in carbohydrates. We all have a different carbohydrate tolerance, and the only way to know is to test your blood ketone levels while tracking your macronutrient intake. So this smoothie is creamy, sweet with a bit of tang, and I love using collagen protein powder because the one I use is flavorless, so I don't even know it's there. I am not a huge sweetened protein powder fan, and I do love the joint, hair, and nail benefits the collagen provides. Okay, bulletproof smoothie, anyone? This cinnamon almond bulletproof shake is delicious and filling. I start with some of those coconut milk ice cubes, MCT oil, almond butter, flax meal, cinnamon, sweetener to taste, a pinch of salt, and coffee. Blend it all up. Okay, if you want your coffee boost kicked up a notch, this shake will do it. You've got the caffeine from the coffee, the brain boost from the MCTs, and just the invigorating excitement from this being a delicious, indulgent, low-carb shake. 6 grams of net carbs, so much satisfaction. The last one I'm sharing here is perhaps the most dessert-like, surprise, blackberry cheesecake. Frozen blackberries, cream cheese, or if you're a dairy-free low-carber, you could use coconut milk, but of course it won't have the same cheesecake effect. I have seen a coconut-based cream cheese at Trader Joe's that could work, but I haven't tried it. I'm also adding MCT oil, vanilla extract, optional sweetener, a pinch of salt, coconut milk, and water. This one is the most indulgent. It's extremely delicious, but it's also the highest in carbs. There are about 10 grams of net carbs in this smoothie. Keep in mind, some people can handle that. Personally, when I did keto and tracked my blood ketone levels, I can handle about 40 to 50 grams of carbs a day and still remain in ketosis. Some people can only handle 20 or less. It really depends on the person. So
Click the link below to get customized meals. No need to count calories in daily workouts.